All right, what's up, guys? So I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. I ended up taking one trade on NASDAQ today. Market was a little slower because of Columbus Day, a little bit less volume. Banks are closed. So anyways, like I said, took one trade on NASDAQ. Didn't really see any other setups that I did like, but trade ended up working out, ended up making around 180 and 15 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just over $2,700 profit on the day. All right, so I was watching NASDAQ today. Like I said, I was also watching for shorts on oil. So if we go over to oil real quick, as you can see, the pre-market trend was originally down, right? We're going down pretty much all night. And then so I was watching for shorts. Once we got above this VWAP, to me, that told me the trend was reversing. I was no longer interested in going short. So I switched over my focus to NASDAQ and the S&P 500. NASDAQ had a little bit more of a clean market structure. So if you guys don't know how I trade already, I'm a trend pullback trader. So I only trade with the trend of the market, but I'm waiting for pullbacks to get my entries. All right. So one main thing that I really liked about this NASDAQ trade was if we go to the hourly time frame, right? Zooming out a little bit. A few weeks ago, we hit an all-time high on NASDAQ, as we can see. Now, what happened was basically overnight, we passed that high for the first time in a few weeks, and then we retested that level. So I knew on any pullback, we should be able to hold this old resistance. It should turn into new support. So that's what I really liked about this trade. If we zoom into the 2-minute time frame, as we can see, pretty much all night, the trend was slowly grinding up. We're trading above VWAP, so this told me to focus on longs. Then when market opened, we got our first rip up. As you can see, we didn't really get any pullbacks. We got our first pullback here, but as you guys know, I'm always waiting for confirmation to get into my position. I want to see us pull back, hold this top line, or at least cross above this top line. As you can see, we never got that. We're pretty weak on the trend. We dropped below the bottom line on that pullback. If we keep zooming through, as you can see, we pretty much never got confirmation. Then here's where a bunch of volume came in, right? So buyers were stepping in down here, and we pulled back to that old resistance level, turning into new support. Okay, so that was key. I was like, okay, this could easily be the bottom of the market today. This is what I wanted to see, a deeper pullback into here. As you can see, if we keep going on, we almost got confirmation here, but we never got above our line. So we keep going, and we kept pulling back. We're building some nice divergence into the upside. So this is what I wanted to see. And from here, as you can see, we just waited for confirmation. End up getting it right on this candle right here. So let me just kind of zoom in and reveal the chart. Ended up getting confirmation on this candle here. Snagged an entry around 56, 67 or so, 70. And I simply just rode this to a 1-to-1 risk reward. So basically had my stop loss below the last swing low, right? And then I took my profits right at this last resistance level, which made sense for me to take it off there. Obviously, I could have held this longer, but again, the volume's a little bit lower today due to Columbus Day. So I figured I'd play it a little bit safer with that 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and take my profits while I had it. So anyways, that was pretty much the whole trading day for me. I was able to plan a lot of this out, like kind of when we're selling off. I was like, yeah, I want to see a test of this level. I want to see us trade sideways for a little bit since the trend was so weak. Then we slowly started building up some divergence and finally got our confirmation right here. So super easy trade to plan and kind of map out before it actually happened. So pretty happy with that. So like I said, that was my only trade for the day. We'll see what the rest of the week brings for us. Also, if you guys don't know already, I trade live every single day, Monday through Friday on Zoom inside my Inner Circle group. If you guys want to join that and you think it'd be helpful to trade live with me every day on Zoom, you can ask me questions in there and see my screen, see exactly where I enter, where I get out of trades. I want to let you know that we're running a free 7-day trial for the Inner Circle group right now. Like I said, you'll be able to trade live with me every day on Zoom. So if you do think that would be helpful for you and you're sick of trading alone, we'd love to have you inside. Like I said, if you want to take advantage of the 7-day trial, give it a test run for a week. We are running that offer right now. So if you guys are interested in joining, all you have to do is go over to the first link in the description below this video, or just head over to this link right here to lock in that 7-day trial. So anyways, guys, that being said, I hope you guys all had a good trading day yourself. I'll see you tomorrow morning at market open for another day of trading and see what the rest of this week brings.